Hi, I got my trial version of Home Designer Pro 2023 open, and let me show you in plan view. I created a box and put a cabinet in there, and then I'm viewing it in a wall elevation camera. I'm not quite sure exactly what you're talking about, what you want to do, but I'm going to show you what can be done. I'm going to open the dialog box of this base cabinet. Click on the front to take you to the front tab. And then there's a tool here, split horizontally, split vertically. Of course, you can always go over here to, let's see. That's a change the door type. I was thinking there's a, no, I don't see it. I'm going to click on the front tab and I'm going to split this door vertically. So now it's two doors. Now they're both right-hand doors. Now take this one and select it and change it to left hand. So now you got double doors in a 24-inch wide cabinet. I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to split it vertically. So now I got two right-hand doors here. Same thing over here. Now I got two left-hand doors. Now this is ridiculously small, but that seems to be what you were asking about. And if you want to just cancel out of that, you just cancel and it's back to where it was before you open the dialog box. But I think that's what, and that can be done on uppers and full height. Same kind of functionality. Take this full height, click on this, split vertically, click on the right hand and change it to a left hand. So it makes more sense, or if it makes more sense to go the other direction. Probably does. You take this and change it to a drawer. And then that's what the split horizontally is for. I can split this into, take this and split it vertically. Now we got two drawers, big drawer and a bigger drawer. So gives you the flexibility to do pretty much whatever you want. Okay. Hope this helps you. I hope it's what you were looking for. If it's not, well, make it a great day anyway.